things with Makenah. Today,
And you know me, I'm Mama G.
I have no clue what I'm trying today. So,
That's the good thing. You should always be willing to do what?
try new things.
Try new things. So what if you don't like them, but you won't know unless you try, right?
Right?
Okay, so it's mystery bag day. We got some mystery bags on either side of Makenah.
Oh no.
And she's going to be blindfolded while I prepare her new item. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Let's see, should we go big or small, Makenah?
Big. No, small.
You sure?
Yeah, small.
Okay, no cheating. This is her first item. See that? Mm-mm. Do you like sweet, salty, spicy?
Spicy.
Oh, good. Awesome. This one is actually kind of spicy. And this is actually something that I like. So I'm going to eat some of this too. I'm going to eat some of all of it with you. Even though they're not new for me, they are delicious.
What? You say they are. What
Because we have more than one thing, right? To try.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put a little bit on the plate.
Ooh, that smells like mustard.
It's not mustard. Okay, wait. You want a little hot sauce or you want it?
No,
wait,
hot sauce.
I thought you like hot.
Yeah, no.
Do you
hot
want to
sauce,
try
no.
some with hot sauce and some without hot sauce?
Without hot sauce first.
Okay. But I like mine with hot sauce. So I'm going to put a little hot sauce on mine.
What is it?
And one of yours with hot sauce. So you got one without and one with.
What
Okay,
is
just
it?
hold on.
Ooh, the hot sauce smells strong.
Okay, wait. All right, open your eyes. This is the first thing we're trying. That's without hot sauce and with hot sauce.
What is that?
There's a fork right there. And I am going to eat this because I love it.
What is it?
Mm.
Is this onion?
It's not onion.
It doesn't smell like onion or feel like onion. Oh, well, that has hot sauce on it now.
But you might like the hot sauce. Mmm. I'm tearing it up because I like this.
What is it?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
See?
Got a lot of flavor.
You never know if you like something until you try it. Try the one with hot sauce. It's really good.
Tastes good with hot sauce too.
So, I'll tell you what it is. Pickled pig skin.
Eh.
What do you mean, eh? You just said it was good.
Yeah, but the sound of it does not sound good.
That's why you should try things, because you never know if you'll like them. Now, had I showed her this jar, you would have been like, I don't want, oh, I can't, oh. But eating it was good, right?
Yeah.
See, I told you. Okay, so we had one item. Pickled pig skin. Okay, blindfold. I'm going to eat the last piece because this is good stuff.
We have like 5, 6 pigs.
Let's think I do anything. Okay. No cheating. Are you blindfolded?
Okay. I am.
We can use the same plate. Why are you making that face for? You have any?
Smell of it.
What does it smell like?
Ravioli.
Smells like ravioli?
Yes.
Okay. We will see.
It smells like pasta.
Pasta?
Yes.
Not pasta. Okay, take your blindfold off.
Hold on. It has shrimp in it. Yeah, not gonna enjoy that.
You don't know that. You didn't know about the other one.
Why are you gonna be so big?
Why not? That's how you get the full flavor. Try it.
I don't wanna.
It's so good. It's good, isn't it? It is good. What don't you like about it?
I can actually taste the shrimp. There's like, what I do like about it is the cilantro.
The cilantro? Okay, this one don't have any shrimp. Maybe it would just without the shrimp. It's not bad.
Don't like it.
Well, that's okay. You guys still got a tricep to know it. Ceviche.
Nah. It doesn't sound all that nasty, but.
All right. Blindfold. We'll get a new plate this time.
How many more things are there? She was hiding these things from me with a bowl. She put it inside the bowl and then she'd clench it to her chest.
Yep, sure did. No cheating.
Not.
Okay, this one you gotta leave your blindfold on and try it.
Oh no.
Ready?
No.
I won't do a lot.
No.
It's just a little bit. Open mouth.
I got yogurt. I got yogurt.
It's not yogurt. Open your eyes.
Huh.
Butterscotch.
That's not bad.
You like butterscotch?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
She hasn't had butterscotch pudding, so that's a new flavor. Butterscotch. You guys want some pudding? Here you guys go. Have some. Good stuff. Okay,
I
so
thought
we'll
it was
put the
pumpkin
pudding up
when I
there.
first looked at it. It doesn't taste nothing.
Blindfold.
Do I have to eat this one with the blindfold on?
Maybe, maybe not. I gotta think about it as I prepare it. You're cheating.
Oh,
You can see right there.
It's okay. Ow!
Hey, no cheating. No cheating.
Somebody bit me.
I love these too, just so you know.
I'm scared. Can I take the blindfold off?
Not yet. Not yet.
Are you putting hot sauce on it?
Of course. You said you like spicy.
I do.
Okay. One for you, one for me. You gotta eat the whole thing though.
What is that? Is that?
What are you laying your head down for?
What is that?
Why?
I don't want to try that.
Well, we're trying it. All you gotta do is pick it up. Mmm.
What is it?
Eat it.
It looks weird.
Mmm.
It was you that did me.
I ate mine. It's your turn.
Just one bite.
One big bite. Right there, that side right there.
This?
That side, that whole piece. Don't break it, because you got to get the meat underneath too. Bite the whole thing. Bite it. Just bite it. You still didn't get the meat. Get the meat.
Mm.
It's hot sauce.
A hooey.
So is the other stuff.
Uh-uh.
Pudding's not chewy. Oh, that's a bone right there.
You know, too hot. I'm pudding.
Here, this is meat. It's not chewy.
What is this?
It's pretty good. More meat. Want some hot sauce on the meat? So this one is
Pickled pig's feet. Oh my.
what?
What is wrong with you and pigs today?
Pickled pig's feet. Good stuff. You just can't eat the bone, of course. You gotta take the bone out.
I'm mad at you.
Take the bone out. You guys should try it.
Don't try it.
It's good. Okay,
Is that all?
there's one more. What? What? One more thing.
Don't bite me again, Lola.
You've kind of had this one before, but not actually this flavor, so it's a little bit different.
I know.
Why? You've had it before and you liked it.
It just makes you even more scared.
Why? You liked it before. I'll even leave it in the container for you. There you go. I left it in the container for you and
Can I
everything.
take it off?
Yep.
Cool.
I think I'm going to get me some more.
Ooh, crab salad.
Yeah, it is, but it's a little bit different because it has cheese and olives and stuff like that in it. So. What do you think of that one?
I like crab salad. That's good.
I want some more of this one. So now review them. What do you think? Give some feedback.
You should definitely try the butterscotch pudding. It's really, really good. Crab salad I've always liked crab salad. There's nothing
So no
bad
matter
about
what
crab
they put in it.
Yeah. Crab salad's always been good.
That's why I thought you'd like the ceviche because it has a lot of the same things, but except it has it's like crab salad has like a mayonnaise base, and this one has more like a salsa base with the cilantro and the tomatoes and stuff, lime. The pig skins,
They're good.
they're just a snack, you know.
Yeah.
You're not gonna make a meal with them, so. But you like the pig skins, but not the pig feet.
I only like the meat of the pig. I don't like that squishy part.
The squishy part is the skin, and that's what this is without the meat. This is the skin without the meat. This is the whole foot.
They look different.
They're not.
Taste
They're the
different.
same.
Yeah.
I like them with hot sauce, of course. Well, all right. Anything else you want to tell them?
Don't be afraid to try new things because you might like it.
Could be missing out on stuff, huh?
Yeah, you could. You might like see something like half of my sisters don't like olives, and one of my sisters, Annika, didn't like olives until she tried them, and then she likes olives sometimes.
So yeah, you never know. And as you get older, your taste buds change too. So when your taste buds kind of change, stuff that you thought you didn't like, if you try it again when you're older, you might like it. So, never know. All right, well, you guys leave us some comments. Also, leave some suggestions of things you'd like to see or try.
Yeah. I
Don't
want
be
to see the
afraid.
things that you guys would eat.
Put anything in there. Dinosaur lips, whatever you think will be good.
I don't think dinosaur lips exist.
All right, well,
That sounds
last
nasty.
bite for you guys.